In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tab for a Lightning Web component in Salesforce. Whether you're a new Salesforce user or an experienced developer looking to expand your toolkit, understanding how to efficiently create a tab for your custom components can be a game changer. First and foremost, you need to ensure that your Lightning Web component, often called LWC, is fully deployed in Salesforce. This initial step is crucial because without a deployed component, we won't have anything to showcase in our new tab. Next, let's log into Salesforce. You'll want to use your usual credentials, and once you're in, we're ready to move forward. As with many operations in Salesforce, you'll need to navigate to Setup. Look for the gear icon typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will bring up a menu from which you can select the Advanced Setup option. This area is a treasure trove of configuration possibilities, giving you the power to customize Salesforce to fit your precise requirements. Once you're in the Advanced Setup, use the Quick Find box on the left-hand side to search for tabs. This keyword will bring you directly to the tab settings where you'll find more options. Here, click on New and then proceed to select Lightning Component tab. This choice signifies that we're creating a tab specifically for our Lightning components. Now comes a pivotal step, selecting the Lightning Web component you want to feature. From the list presented, choose your desired component. Careful selection is key, as this is what your users will ultimately interact with when they click on the new tab. After choosing the component, it's time to enter specific details for your tab. You'll need to define a tab label, which is essentially the name that will display to users. Follow that with entering a tab name and selecting a tab style. The style determines the look and feel of your tab, adding a touch of personalization to your interface. Once you've set up these elements, you'll want to assign the tab to user profiles. Consider who needs access to this component and adjust the settings accordingly. Likewise, make sure to add the tab to an appropriate app within Salesforce, ensuring it is easily accessible to those who need it. Finally, hit Save. This simple action makes all your configurations operational. Now, if you check your app launcher, you should see the LWC tab prominently displayed among your other options. This new tab will streamline workflow for users, offering easy access to your custom component. And there you have it, a straightforward method to create a tab for a Lightning Web component in Salesforce. By following these steps, you can ensure your components are as accessible as possible, contributing to a seamless user experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.